Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about something which is very interesting. Now it's winters and during the COVID times, it has almost become impossible to visit a salon. Like me, you were also wondering how to take care of yourself and your feet, especially during the winters. Amidst all these thoughts, I'm glad I found Dr. Foot and their entire range of products specially dedicated to take care of your feet. How amazing! Now I'm going to be talking in detail about these three products from Dr. Foot. But before we do so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. So this is the first product. This is Dr. Foot Epsom Peppermint Salt Foot Soak. Now I'm really very excited to give you the review of this product. This is pretty amazing for your feet. As the name suggests, is a foot soak. So all you have to do to pamper your feet is to take a large bowl of water filled with warm water, then put 4 to 5 spoonful of Epsom salt into it, mix the solution well and sit back, relax, dip your feet into the mixture of Epsom salt and warm water and give it 15 to 20 minutes. Soak in all the amazing sensation that you feel, and yeah, after 15 minutes you can take a towel, pat your feet dry, and voila, all that dirt and grime in your feet are all gone. How amazing does it sound? I'm very impressed with this product, as you can understand. But frankly, this has got such amazing ingredients like eucalyptus oil, rosemary oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil. It will not only soften the calluses, be ready to get rid of all the bad smell, itchy sensation. It's very hassle-free, very user-friendly. Get your hands on this product. I'm going to be definitely linking the product down in the description box below. Next up is Dr. Foot Foot Scrub. Now this is an amazing exfoliator for your feet. It's very important to deep cleanse your feet because all the dirt and grime that has accumulated on your feet over time tends to not give way to the moisturizer which you apply on your feet in order to heal them. So it's very important to take care of this, to remove the dead cells which have been accumulating over time on your feet, give them a sense of deep hydration and moisturization with the help of Dr. Foot Scrub. Apply this product on your wet feet. Just massage it well so the blood circulation is increased, and in the process it will also help remove the dead skin cells. And when you massage it well on your wet feet, the moisture tends to sink in and it will help soothe the dry skin. It will help your feet feel fresh and smoother and better. It will also give a healing effect. It will make it smooth, supple, moisturize. I think this is a product which is a must-have for anyone and everyone, since all of us tend to ignore our feet when the skin there is very soft and supple and needs as much care as the rest of our body. What I love about this product is that the granules are good enough to take care and exfoliate your feet, but at the same time they wouldn't poke or hurt your feet. So yeah, a very good product by Dr. Foot. I would highly recommend you all to go ahead, get your hands on this product and use it every week or once in a week just to get smoother and healthier feet. Next up is this foot cream by Dr. Foot. Now this product has to be one of my favorites from the range because this is really amazing. This is a cream which soothes your cracked heels, takes care of your rough feet which have undergone so much, and it gives you a very soft and subtle and relaxed, smooth feeling. Let's face it, if your feet are feeling tired, you definitely don't feel okay, right? When your feet are feeling good and relaxed, then you tend to feel relaxed as well. I have used this product. Oh my god, the feeling is just amazing. It has got such amazing ingredients: rosemary oil, tea tree oil, lemongrass oil. It has to be one of my favorites. So yeah, I love this so much because of the amazing ingredients it has. It also tends to give you that relaxation that you need after a hectic week. This is how the product looks like. It has got such a buttery, soft feeling. Whenever you touch it, you can absolutely feel the amazingness of it. The smell of the product is so relaxing. It sinks right into your skin and moisturizes and hydrates your feet. I would suggest that you use this product twice daily in order to heal your feet. So before going to bed or after taking a bath, you can use this product. If you are using this range, first you can go ahead with the foot soak and then you can go ahead with the scrub. And at last comes the use of this moisturizer, which is definitely a game changer. It penetrates deep into your skin and hydrates it instantly. Because of the therapeutic formula, when you massage your feet with the moisturizer, you can definitely feel a change because of the increased blood circulation. A miracle, I would say, for cracked, rough and dry feet. Because of the therapeutic formula it has, after sinking into your skin, it speeds up cell renewal. And kid you not, I have seen the difference by using this product religiously for 2 weeks now. So yeah, I am very impressed with this one, and I would highly recommend you all to go ahead, get your hands on this amazing moisturizer, specially dedicated to your feet. In case you're wondering, I'm going to be linking all these products down in the description box below. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or queries regarding these products. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Mwah. Bye.